Hello, this is Judy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over the True Story National Paper Crafting Month Special by Close to My Heart. This starts January 1st and lasts until February 28th or until supplies last. So they have a collection of elements to make a 6x8 album with a whole bunch of flip flaps and fold outs and things to tuck in, and it's really cool. I've watched a lot of ladies that make these on their own, and it's like very time consuming to think of it from scratch, but this puts it all together for you, so it's really cool. The whole kit plus the album is discounted at, it's regularly $76.90 and discounted to $65.95 if you buy the kit. If you buy just the album kit without the album, you can get it for, it's regularly $59.95 and it's discounted to $49.95. So whether you want it with the album or not. Now I have mine in a little pink album, but what comes with it is the black one. So this is the album. Sorry, I got something on it there. I'll have to wash that off. So this is how it is. And here are the directions. So they're quite detailed directions. And the materials needed in addition to what you get in the kit is some white gel pens, a black pen, 3D foam tape, glue dots, a quickie glue pen, some adhesive of choice, a trimmer, and the album. Okay, and then it gives you all the photos that you will need for each page. I don't have photos in mine yet. And then all of the directions and all the pieces and everything you need to do. It's really cool. And then it walks you through page by page. So it is very cool. So this is the front cover, and it comes with these 3 rings. If you don't want to put them in an album, it gives you 3 rings, so it's already made to an album without having this part. Okay, so you get the front cover, and these are all pieces to put on. Nothing is pre-printed. So this is a nice sturdy chipboard cover. First page is this little piece here, and it has a tag, photo for your flip flap, another photo flip flap, and it tucks in here. Has a couple little decorations here with some twine, and those go in there, and then that flips over, and you have another flip flap here, so you can have 2 photos and another one here. Okay, so that would be something to put on it. It is not tacked down. It does not, nothing slides in there. And nothing slides in there. That's just decoration. Okay, but you could, you know, that could be a slide-in little pocket. So many additional things you can do, but I just walked through it with the Close to My Heart ladies who went through this workshop with us and made it as they said. So so then you have a page here. This is a page protector that you can buy from Close to My Heart with 4 sections. This is like your pocket life, and you have the same on this side. And this one has a flip flap. So let me show you. So you just take them in and out. So there you go. Okay. So you could put it on the outside of your flip flap, or you could cut a slit in here so that that will flip over the front, and you can open it without pulling it out. It has a acrylic divider here that you could decorate. It has the stickers on here. You just have to be careful because it's clear, so you'd have to have the same thing on both sides, or you'd see the back of whatever's on this side, such as the back of this heart. Okay, this one has best, so you could put best whatever it is to you. And then you have a flip flap, and you can slide a photo in here for a circular photo. And of course, that is all there is. You could make other tuck pockets in the sides. Then you open it, and it has a flip flap here for that. This is just a tag element. Again, you could make more tuck-in parts. This is a flip flap here. with journaling, hidden journaling there. So that closes. This opens. Look at how cute. Look at that. Little tags. This is like something little kids would love to have. And this is a tuck-in photo here. Close. And then that's done. This is another acrylic piece. And it has just a tag on here. And the tag on both sides so that it is covered. Flip flap here. And a tag on top of the tag. This page here. Quite in depth. This is a whole album, one day at a time, so flip flap there. And again, you could do tucking pieces, the tag here that's hidden journaling. There's my favorite little rainbows, okay, and then you can do journaling down the side if you choose. And then this page has a secret pocket in this side and a circular element for a title or quote or saying or whatever you want to put there. This one is, now they lined this up so when it goes like this it's snippets. I didn't quite get it lined up when I made it. That's okay. So this life, this makes my heart happy, and snippets of everyday life, and then these little hearts. They are tucked down, but you could have them flip open. It's up to you. You know, I thought of that when we were putting them down. They were layered up on top of each other, and I think they're pretty well glued down. This side has another flip flap with hidden journaling. Again, you could put more underneath it if you want to tuck in things. And this is just a decorative element. It's not, doesn't pull out or anything. And that's a little tiny chipboard pieces that they have. They're very sturdy. And then another flap that opens. This goes this way. This goes this way. There's a flip flap here. And these are the days. This is similar to that other page that had flaps that opened and open. Another flip flap. Lots of good stuff, right? Isn't this incredible? Okay, look on the bright side. This doesn't come out or anything, but you could make it that way. And then here, this is a waterfall one, the flip flap. Another one with a flip flap. Another one with a flip flap. Isn't that cool? Okay, and then this page, this is another picture my life page that you could buy lots of these and make duplicates of this. So you have pieces that go in here for photos, larger photos, and then on this side the same. And again, you could do more flip flaps with these. And this one has a flip flap. And another fold out page here. So on the front of here, that's a singular page. And then here you have all kinds of tags that tuck in. Oh, there we go. And then these all pull out. Oops, got stuck on that page. It's not supposed to be not supposed to be attached. Okay, there we go. There we go. It's just a decorative element there. And another one. So another flip flap here, and you could put another picture here. These tags do come out, so they're little pockets, all 4 of them. And I think I used twine that, I don't think they gave us twine, I'm not sure. I think I put twine on myself. And there's another flip flap here, and another tag. And it's just so cute. That's that. And then the last page is there. And I don't have a lot of glue on here. So there. Oh, I forgot to close this one. There we go. There. There's just so many things. And then you have your back cover, which was not decorated. So, it's the cutest little album for any occasion in life. You could change it up. What I like about it is it gives me something to work from. I can copy it, make it into 12 by 12 pages, and I don't have to go through the brain power of thinking it up on my own. I have it right here to refer to. So I hope you like that. And this is a special again, starting January 1st, ending February 28th. If you have any questions, please let me know. It is available on my website, stampinforever.closetomyheart.com. Take care. Have a wonderful day.